We are talking about solving inequalities and compound inequalities. And here we want to solve a one-step inequality. Solve the following inequality and express your answer in set builder notation and interval notation. So we have an example of a one-step, and then in problem 3, we have an example of a two-step. So we'll start with the first one. So we have inverse operations. So y minus 6 is less than 3. So in order to get rid of the negative 6, we will add 6 to both sides. And then we get y is less than 9. So there's no bound to the negative. So we know that we're going to go to negative infinity on that side. And we know that we're going to go to 9 is going to be the biggest number. So y is less than 9. Y cannot be bigger than 9. Is 9 included? This is not an equal sign. So we are going to use a parenthesis. And whenever we have either negative infinity or positive infinity, we will always use a parenthesis. So that's the interval notation. And then if we're going to do set builder notation, it's actually written right here. Y is less than 9. Okay, we're going to look at practice 3 here. So 5x minus 2 is greater than 8. Solve it the same way we would in equation. First, we want to add 2 to undo the negative 2. 5x is greater than 10. Then we're going to divide by 5 for inverse operations of multiplication, and we get x is greater than 2. So we can graph this right here. Only point we need is 2. So we can put 2 anywhere in the number line. This is a greater than. There is missing an equal sign. There's no equal sign. So we have to use an open dot. Now, as long as the variable is on the left, the arrow will point the same way as the inequality. So variables on the left, x is greater than 2. So we're going to be every number that's greater than 2. If we look at it in set builder notation, it's actually written right here already. So we have x is greater than 2. And if we look at it in interval notation, we can use this graph up here to help us. So our farthest to the left is 2. And then our farthest to the right, we have this arrow here. And what that means is that's going to positive infinity. So open circle at 2, open circle means parentheses, not equal to. So we're going to have the parentheses. The 2 is not included. We go right up to it, but it's not included. And we can never count to positive infinity or negative infinity, so we'll have a parentheses there.